How to connect Klaviyo with Google Ads Manager. Why do you need to connect Klaviyo with Google Ads? If you have that person email, if they already in your database or they opting into your email marketing, we strongly recommend to stop running campaigns to those people. Maybe remarketing campaigns, but not campaigns to attract, because you already attracted, and it's much cheaper for you to send them email than to run Google Ads campaign. The integration is extremely easy to do, but there's a few steps you need to follow. So first, let's log into my Klaviyo account. Click on the bottom left corner on your account name and click on integration. Then in the top right corner, click on add integration and type in the search Google, and you will see Google Ads. Click on Google Ads and click connect to Google. Now you need to select the correct Google account if you have multiple. As you can see here, I have multiple, so you need to make sure to select the correct one. Then you need to agree to terms and conditions and click continue. And now you need to make sure to select the right Google Ads account in case you have multiple. And now we need to sync your Klaviyo list or segment with Google Ads audience. In my case, I want to select everybody in my Klaviyo account, so I will have my master segment. In case you want to learn how to create master segment, I have another YouTube video about how to create master segment in Klaviyo. So I will type in master segment, and I would like to sync it with audience, but I need to create new audience. In case you have existing one, you can sync, but in my case, I want to create the new audience called Klaviyo email subscribers. Oh, actually, I do have it already because I'm recording this video second time. First time I forgot to click record. So Klaviyo email subscribers, and the last step is to click on complete setup in the bottom right corner. And it might take a few minutes or maybe a few hours, depends how big your data is, for Klaviyo and your Google Ads account to sync in. Want to discover how much money your email marketing can actually bring you? If that's the case, let our team of email marketing experts show you how. With our free email marketing audit, we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis of your email marketing efforts, provide you with an action plan, and show you how to effectively segment and convert your audience. Simply go to flowium.com/audit and book your audit today. In case you have any additional questions about this video, please leave them under this video, and to show the support, please click on that thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next Thursday. Bye.